Karena ipan jika to page pagi jika binigay.
Hello.
Ang kaumuli dita.
Oh no, my siren! Oh no, something is broken. Oh no, somebody help me.
Oh no, let me fix you. Oh no, now you're good to go.
Toe! Huh? My toe hitch! Oh no, something is broken. Oh no, somebody help me.
Oh no, let me fix you. Oh no, now you're good to go.
My tire! Oh no, something is broken. Oh no, somebody help me.
Oh no, let me fix you. Oh no, now you're good to go. Yeah. I can't charge. Oh no, something is broken. Oh no, somebody help me. Oh no, let me fix you. Oh no, now you're good to go.
Thanks, Santa.
Yes, sir, we got it. Police car wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. Police car wheels go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, round and round, all through the town. Police car siren goes wee wee you, wee wee you, wee wee you. Police car siren
Kay to pray kan. Kay to pray.
wee wee you, all through the town. Oh no, there's a traffic jam.
Liz, pull me up!
Got it, Mom. The brake police car goes rush, rush, rush. To a rest of the town, guys. The brake police car goes rush, rush, rush. All through the town. All through the town. You were amazing, Paul.
Thanks to you, Liz.
6, 7, 8, 8.
dahil nilang age is just a number. Sila ang mga senior citizens na mga young at heart at papasang mga Gen Z. Hatid ng mas pinalakas na ensure goal with strength flow. Humanda ng Papa A sa ating Gen Senior Citizens. Pinagigiliwan sila sa online world dahil sa kanilang nakakatuwa at full of energy na mga content. Please welcome Momsy Corazon San Pedro and Popsy Janice Wong. Hello po! Welcome sa isa showtime. Bumati muna kayo sa Madlang People. What's up, Madlang People? Wow! Iba naman ang energy talaga nila. Matanong ko po, ilang taon na po ba kayo?
Ako po, 68 years old.
68? Eh, kayo po?
Ako naman po ay 60 years old na.
Diyos ko, 68 at 68 di halata sa energy sa pagsiwat, pagkaway-kaway, pagtakbo nyo. Mula doon hanggang dito parang mga bagets pa.
Yes.
Looks, check. Energy, check. Lakas, check. At syempre, gusto natin makita live na live ang sulit ninyong dance moves. But the people, gusto ba silang mag-sample? Sample daw! Gen Senior Citizens, handa na ba kayong i-flex ang solid kong dance moves ninyo? Yes! Yes, the one of the energy and the confidence of the people together with our showtime baby dolls. Give it up for Momsy Corazon and Popsy Tennis. It's showtime!
Papa? Madlang people, Momsy Corazon and Popsy Dennis! Oh, ang dali parang bagong love team. Diba? Grabe, parang tuwang-tuwa kayo at libong na libong kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Ano po ba inspirasyon ninyo pagdating sa inyong mga online content? Ako, ang mga inspirasyon ko ay mga apo ko.
Ikaw naman, Popsy Dennis, ikaw ano inspirasyon mo ba sa paggawa ng content?
Ganun din, parang kay Mami Cora na nakikita mo na ako, anak, na nagsasasunay, ganyan na rin ako din. Pati sa TikTok, nagsasayo na rin ako.
Happy ka doon? Nag-good ka talaga pag gumagawa ka ng
Pilit
content.
ko, mas lalo bumabata.
At ngayon, makakasama rin natin ang apo ni Popsy Corazon, si Liza! At ang anak ni Popsy
Liza?
Dennis na si Christian! Ano yung sinusuporta mo dito mga anak ninyo?
Sinusuportahan ko po sila na para gamit ko yung pagsabay ko po sa kanya sa pag-save ko sa TikTok din. Tinutulungan ko din po siya mag-edit.
So pag naisipin ka mag-content, sasamahan mo siya kasi parang ayaw niya naman mag-isa. Gusto niya talaga ng support.
Gusto niya po.
Doon ka lagi.
Opo.
Ikaw naman.
Ayun eh, so sa case po namin ni Ray, tinutulungan ko si Papa by sending him yung mga trending TikTok videos. Tapos umahanap kami ng time para ma-practice namin together kasi sobrang nasa puso niya talaga yung pagsasayaw.
Correct. At syempre masarap sa pakiramdam na yung trip mo, may support na naman kasama mo sa bahay. Diba? Maraming salamat sa inyo, Popsy Corazon and Popsy Dennis. Ano nag-enjoy po kayo? But wait, there is more. Achieve na achieve na rin ang lakas at kalawang Gen Z. Madlang people, please welcome isa pang certified Gen Senior Citizen, my unremarkable nanay, Nanay Rosario! It's showtime! kaya ko pang gawin ang mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. Yeah, ayan nila. Kaya ko rin makipagsabayan. Diba? 79 tapos yung nanay ko, di ba nakakasama ko pa sa ganito? Nakakasayaw-sayaw at lagi ko siya nakakasama sa ang dami naming bonding moments. Kasi di ba, habang nagkakaedad ang ating loved ones, marami ang nagbabago sa kanilang pangatawan. Kaya i-check natin ang ating mga magulang, lolo at lola. Kung napapansin niyong luminipis na ang muscles sa legs nila, yan ay isang senyales ng muscle decay o panghihina. At pag mahina ang kanilang muscles, humihina rin ang immunity at posible itong magdulot ng iba't ibang karamdaman. At kapag sila nagkasakit, mahihirapan na silang gumalaw. At yung palagi nilang nakaupo sa kahigaan, mas lalo pang hihina ang muscles nila. Yan ang cycle of weakness. At ngayon nakakalapit na lang Pasko. Excited na parating na kaliwat ka ng Christmas parties and family reunions. Importanteng ready ang katawan nila sa full na katawan. At syempre, ang best Christmas gift na pwede nila ma-receive this holiday season ay lakas at healthy body. Di ba, Mother? Yes. Oh. At para mag-hit ang tour na yan, heto na ang bago at mas pinalakas na Ensure Gold with Strength Pro na may HMBO, hydroxymethyl butyrate na tumutulong magpalakas ng muscles at YBG o yeast beta-glucan na tumutulong namang magpalakas ng immunity. Tulungan natin silang i-achieve ang
Ala.
tuloy-tuloy na lakas o cycle of strength para sa masaya at masiglang pamumuhay, syempre with proper diet and exercise. Alam niyo bang si Nanay Rosario ay matagal na umiinom ng Ensure Gold? True yan, di ba, Nay? Kaya naman, excited na kami i-try itong mas pinalakas na Ensure Gold with Strength Pro. Magka-creepon, may kilala pa po yung Gen Senior Citizen na may pang Gen Z na galaw.
tayo.
Hi. I am a brave falling star. I protect the sun from lightning siren. I'm a wee falling star. Oh, what's that sound?
You there? Hold on. I am the bad known car. I bring danger to the city, causing trouble everywhere. I'm a daring car.
Stop.
You wish you'd never catch us. Run away. We are the bad guys running from the police.
Catch them. Catch them. Now I must catch them. Stop.
You can't catch us. I'm green. Run away. We are the bad guys. Run.
Catch them. Catch them.
Dam. Yan.
Now I must evade justice.
O, di ba kahit puntasahan pa dito niya?
Arrest.
We're sorry.
Yung pa sa kinakawa sa bandong. Tungkol.
Woohoo! I'm faster. Yes.
What's wrong with my wheels? Let's go. All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go.
Go.
Rattle, rattle, broken tires, glitter, clatter, please fix it. Strong, rescue truck. All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go. Rattle, rattle, broken engines, glitter, clatter, please fix it. Strong, rescue truck. Oh, yeah! All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go. Go, go, go. All the rescue cars, let's go, go, go. Cars loaded, loaded, one by one. Strong, rescue. Now let's get back to the rescue center.
Yes, cute scene. Sayaw. Sayaw. Ganda ng buyang.
And thanks to them,
Dislike ko.
Thank you.
Terpin. Hi, Kagawad TV official. Ay, hantok pa ako. Uy, bakla kay Mix TV. Hello. Hello, Guapani. Nati, hello. Shout out po. Salamat po. Thumbs up for the blue. Lapag lang po kayo ng mga bahay niyo.
Who needs help? Who needs help? We're here to help and take care of you. This one has two colors, black and white. It's a police car. Policemen catch, bad guys and thieves. And thanks to them, you were first on scene. This guy had one color of fresh air. And it has siren, it's an ambulance Firemen help us to stop the big fire. And thanks to them, your house is safe. This car is white.
Naman ka? Ya? Nakilawang pa make up ko niya.
Oh.
Kape lang ah.
Papanam.
Hindi ko.
Nyukum jikor.
Tumulog tingnan.
Saan niya harus kaagawid? Nyata. Nyata. Hello, Amalish. Shout out. Please connect to Amalish, guys. I'm from Philippines.